So this is just a, I'm gonna see, it doesn't even look like she waters. She needs to. But I mean, if I'm gonna suggest fertilizing, then she needs to water. But I don't think she even waters. I mean, she could like water on the weekends or like drink her coffee, and so she's just getting these weeds. That's what's happening in the back. But San Antonio, they're kind of tightwads, man. This is in San Antonio. They're kind of tightwads about the water schedule, so no one waters, I guess. All right. So, I mean, if you want some fertilizer, I mean, but that entails watering your lawn, I can bring some fertilizer over and fertilize your yard. I mean, for the front, it'd be like $25. I mean, I could do the back, but it's done today. Thanks. All right, so I forgot to, did the edging already, but it is overgrown. All right, here it is. I'll get those papers there. See, it kind of looked like that over there, except worse. All right, there you go. All right. There you go.